Fashion Week, and we have the gorgeous ex-Miss Indias breezing through the runway. So it's over to Gul Panag and Ankita Shourie. Finally, Gul, we see you on the ramp after a long time. Now, did you remember your Miss India days while you were walking?
The only kind of ramp walking I've really done is a big courtesy, having been a Miss India, where you were invited as a novelty on fashion shows, not really because you were a model or you could even showcase clothes, but because you're Miss India hai, to let's put her on the ramp. So, for me, I can't even remember the last time I walked, and it was a mixture of nervousness and apprehension, but I was just taking each step, hoping that I wouldn't trip and fall, and it was not too bad.
Yeah, actually, I've never even seen or imagined myself in this avatar. We start from the boots, and there's some, she got these custom made for all the models on the ramp, and yeah, especially these ones for me. And with a flary skirt, with contemporary embroidery, and with a short, crisp jacket, with bullet embroidery done on the dupatta, and with this military cap, I think it's just icing on the cake.
I'm hugely inspired by sadhus and dervishes, and you see these fakirs who are walking, they wear the long kurta, the short bandi, the lungi still here. We've designed some looks for women like that. So it's not, for someone who likes draping, it's a logical place to go to as an Indian.
The inspiration was called The Dunes. The collection was called The Dunes. It's inspired by, it's really a journey in the Thar Desert. Shantanu?
Yeah, it's also the inspiration was triggered off by this artist, and a Middle Eastern artist called Tarak El Ghussein, who had done this whole vivid imagery of the earthy desert with a blocking pattern to it.
The Wist Lifestyle India Fashion Week actually belongs to the veteran designers, with the gorgeous cocktail lehengas by Shantanu and Nikhil, and of course the spiritual outing at the Kumbh Mela by Tarun Tahliani. With Balraj Saini, this is Griha in Delhi for Times Now.